Well, kumusta sa lahat? So, papalabas po natin ang ebidensya na ang lahat ng mga pang-alipusta na binitawan ni dating Pangulong Fentanyl Duterte ay taliwas ng ating present at minamahal na Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ay nasa drug watch list ng PIDEA nung si Fentanyl Duterte pa ay mayor ng Davao City.
Sarili mong utak at katawan yan. Nung ako'y mayor, pinakitaan ako ng evidence ng PDEA. Doon sa listahan, nandoon yung pangalan mo.
So, after that, biglang naglabas ang PIDEA ng kanilang statement patungkol sa information na ibinahagi ni Fentanyl Duterte. This was from DCBB Super Radio, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PIDEA, iginiit na kailanman ay hindi napabilang sa drug watch list si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos taliwas sa payag ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. So ito po yung kanilang statement ng PIDEA. The Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency PIDEA categorically states that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is not in its watch list, contrary to the statement of former President Rodrigo Duterte claiming that when he was mayor of Davao, he was shown evidence by PIDEA that in the list the name of the president was there. So, ito pa yung mga information na isinaad ng PIDEA taliwas sa statement ni former PRRD. So, to cut it short, based on all foregoing facts, the PIDEA asserts that President Marcos Jr. is not and was never in its watch list. So, let God help former President Roa Duterte on any future turbulence o mga kaso na harapin niya marahil. Huwag naman sana pero kung nagsasabi ka ng kasinungalingan, alam na this, Fentanyl Duterte, di ba? Yun lang. Thank you.